Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so. You are doing great. This is Lakshmi. Today I'm with amazing super duper offer, that is Diwali Damak offer for the course fee reducing from 50 to 70%. That to JEE Mains 2021 and MSET 2021 students. It is a great opportunity. Don't miss it because I'm giving the 50 to 70% fee concession. That too only limited period offer for limited people. This offer is mostly helpful to the poor people like who are maybe unable to pay the more and more amount in this pandemic situation. So for them it is a great opportunity. So please use it. Definitely it is great helpful to you for getting the best and better rank in your competitive level of examinations, especially JEE Mains 2021 and as well as MSET 2021 batch. I'm going to teach all super duper tips and tricks I'm using within a fraction of seconds how you can crack the solutions. You can get my videos. This offer is valid till 20 of this month, means 2011-2020 it will be closed. Please avail this offer. To use this offer, just you can contact through my mail ID as well as my WhatsApp number with your WhatsApp number. Definitely, so you can avail this offer. Are you ready? So, what are the course details? What are the fee concession, etc. will give to you. In objective type examinations, especially in maths, there will be lot of topics. There will be more number of questions. All those questions can be focused easily when you have the instructor, experienced instructor. That means you need the coaching. Then only you can crack the best and better ranks in your objective level of examinations. And also if you have the doubts, so the instructor will be ready to clarify your doubts. We will going to discuss what are the all types of the questions, all types of models, what are the tips and tricks we are going to use. If you prepare the only NCERT syllabus as well as intermediate syllabus for the intermediate students, that's not enough. We have to learn extra syllabus, extra applications. There will be logical, concept, analytical, all those can be get by the coaching only. That too, or maybe experienced instructor can give the all types of model questions with the super tips and tricks. So that's why you need the coaching for competitive level of examinations. At the same time, whatever your doubts, for doubts clarification also, 100% coaching will be supported to you. So I'm giving the Diwali offer 50% minimum, 50% of fee concession for JEE Mains as well as MSET. So if you want to take the only JEE Mains, there will be separate fee, and MSET there will be separate fee. Combination of both of also there will be separate fee, especially maths. So I will provide the recorded lectures. I will available only for your doubts clarification on Sundays only. So that to 4 to 6 p.m. That's why you use this offer. This is valid only. It will be closed 20 of this month. Means what, 2011-2020 only. This offer will be closed. This is golden opportunity to you to avail this offer. Just you can contact my WhatsApp number I have written here, as well as my mail ID also I have given here. So this is exclusively helpful, especially who are maybe financially weak. Those students, they have the interest to take the coaching, but they cannot pay the more amount of fee. For them, just I am giving this offer especially. So I hope so you can utilize it. You can get the benefit. So for every point of time, means what, till for JEE Mains 2021 till December I will give the coaching. For MSET till January I will give the coaching. So what are the fee structure, what are its benefit, and what is the curriculum of the course, I am giving details here. Just look at here. So in case of JEE Mains, I am charging presently 4,999 fee, only JEE Mains students. So till December ending, I will close it. So maybe exams will be postponed maybe 1 week or 10 days, maybe till January examination point of view, I'm telling to you. So maybe if 1 week or 10 days here or there, that is depends upon the examination schedule, we will manage it. Don't bother about it. Okay. So for that, I'm giving the minimum fee concession is 2449. Means what? You have to pay the 2449 fees only for JEE Mains. So, and also we can come to the MSET. There I'm charging two very nominal fee I'm charging, especially maths, there will be more and more topics. So most of them are charging more, but I'm not that money minded, just I'm mostly helpful to the students. So I'm charging 299 only for MSET, 50% minimum fee concession. How much you have to? 1499 only you have to pay. And also for both mains and MSET, so there will be 6,999 I am charging. So minimum 50% means you have to pay 3499. Okay, 3499 we can pay. So this is the fee structure. So for how we can pay, what is the process pay the fee? So you can contact my WhatsApp number. There I will give the instructions. Okay, right. Otherwise you can send me your WhatsApp number through my mail ID. So I will contact you, I will direct you. No need to worry. Whatever may be your difficulties, you can share with me. I will cooperate 100% with you, right? And what is our fee structure I have given to you? What is our curriculum? What is what I'm going to provide to you? You have to know. That is important because you are facing the problem somewhere else, so that problem won't face here. That's why I'm giving the simple fee structure is what I given. Just what is our curriculum of the course also I'm going to give. So in this one, course curriculum means what? First of all, 50 recorded videos lectures are ready to watch. Nearly 50, maybe one or two are here and there. 50 recorded video ready to watch. 50 recorded videos are there. I will provide one by one. This means what? Maximum I will ready to send you. We are few are ready to avail this offer. Okay, 50 recorded videos are ready to watch, and rest of the syllabus I will send up to date videos will be available. Up to date videos I will be sent to you when you avail this offer. And also doubts clarification. Clarification I use a Sunday, every Sunday 4 to 6 p.m. In these doubts clarification, I may conduct the examination schedule also sometimes, not every Sunday. So depends upon the completion of chapter wise tests I am conducting. So our doubts clarification on Sundays 4 to 6 p.m. How we can discuss the doubt clarification, I will discuss when you contact my WhatsApp number. And also assignments, I will give some assignments to you chapter wise, and also tests also chapter wise I will conduct. I will give the time duration. Within the time you have to finish the test and you can send me. Then I will check what are maybe your drawbacks, and also you can rectify your speed, and means what you can pick up your speed and as well as accuracy on that topic. Regarding that also, if you have any doubts, we can discuss in the doubt session, right? Now, previous years, especially previous years JEE Mains and previous years MSET questions with quick solutions. With quick solutions, with amazing super tips and tricks I'm going to use. Those are most helpful to you. If you know the previous years questions analysis, previous years questions applications and uses, then only you can get the 100% confident about the topic. That topic wise we have to discuss first of all. Suppose if I finish one of the topic, in these 50 videos there will be like the previous years JEE Mains and MSET videos also there. You can get the clear idea. Some more videos also I have to provide. So all these are the most helpful to you. There is no difficult at all. It's simply you have to follow my instructors damn sure you will get the best and better rank. Especially in maths point of view, you can gain the more and more marks undoubtedly. So that what you have to do, what I'm giving the instructions, you should follow carefully. You have to do the practice and everything. If you do, there is no difficult at all to get the best and better rank in mains and MSET. Especially in maths point of view, there will be more and more topics, more and more questions. All those can be possible only if you know the best coaching, best instructor guidance. Okay, hope so you can avail this offer. So if you have any doubts regarding this offer, please contact this WhatsApp number with your mail ID. Also you can give, maybe you can contact my mail ID with your WhatsApp number. So is it clear? Simply only nominal fee. In the nominal fee, I am giving the minimum 50%. I said to you 50 to 70% I can give the fee offer. 50 is a minimum. 60 to 70% that is depends upon the group admissions. Maybe there will be minimum 5 students are there. I will give the more concession. So like that, I will modify the fee concession 50 to 70%. Minimum is 50. That's damn sure. Depends upon the group admissions and some other way. Some means very pure people are there. So they are not unable to pay even though this amount. For them also, I will little bit give the more concession. So no need to worry about the fee. But I am telling to you, don't lose this opportunity. Don't lose at any cost. Hope so you are doing it. All the best. Good luck and goodbye.